You've seen it many times. A website or blog promises instant millionaire status using AI. You're being lied to. These AI income hacks, they're not hacks, they're traps. Everyone's talking about making money with AI. You see the ads. I've made videos. You hear the promises. Click here and earn $1,000 a day using a secret AI tool. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Behind many of these so-called opportunities are cleverly disguised scams. In this video, I'm going to expose the 5 most common AI money scams that are draining people's bank accounts in 2025. While there are many legitimate ways to earn money with AI, these scams hit us where it hurts. You'll learn how they work, why they spread so fast, and how to protect yourself before it's too late. And make sure you stick around to the end, because the 5th scam is one most people never see coming, until it hits them hard. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the AI Connection, the show where I teach you the ins and outs of making your business thrive with AI. So, let me guess. You've seen ads for bots that promise to trade crypto or stocks for you using AI that allegedly beats the market. It sounds perfect. You just invest, let the bot work, and watch the money roll in. That's not even close to the truth. Here's the reality. Most of these bots either don't exist or are running on scripts that have nothing to do with artificial intelligence. One notorious example? Quantum AI Trader, which was supposed to have Elon Musk sharing a business opportunity. Spoiler, Elon had nothing to do with it. Thousands of people signed up, deposited real money, and were left with nothing. So what are the red flags for this kind of scam? First off, promises of guaranteed profit. Nothing is ever guaranteed. Second, no transparency about how the system actually works. Third, there are fake testimonials that are clearly actors or AI-generated avatars. And here's the kicker. Even the legit bots, like the ones big hedge funds use, lose money sometimes. If someone claims 90% accuracy, run. That's not AI, that's a scam. So you want to make money creating content. You want to write blogs, create YouTube scripts, and write emails. It is a lot of work. I know, as I have been doing this for a while. I do use AI to help out, but most of the heavy lifting, the detail work, is done by me. Suddenly, someone online tells you they've got a done-for-you AI content business in a box. They'll say that they will provide 100 blog posts, fully automated for your convenience. The posts will be SEO ready for you. Sounds awesome, right? Except the content is trash. Literally. I'm talking about badly spun junk that either gets flagged by Google as low quality or plagiarized. It doesn't actually help users and no one wants to read junk. Or it makes your site look like it was built by a kid from 2010. There was this so-called toolkit called AI SEO Dominator. One was even selling for $5.99. Image of AI. SEO Dominator. Buyers got PDFs and Word docs filled with AI-generated fluff that ranked nowhere and converted no one. Good AI tools? These are the ones like Jasper, ChatGPT, Koala Writer, Grok, and Copilot. But even they need human editing and strategy. When write articles for my Kai Ponte website, I will use AI to help, but always provide my own input and add that human touch. AI is a co-pilot, not a cash machine. These 100% hands-off content kits? They're just digital snake oil. Now let's talk about the big one. Investment scams hiding behind AI buzzwords. These are the modern version of old-school Ponzi schemes. They claim they've got some genius-level algorithm that spots investment opportunities faster than Wall Street. You put in $500, it becomes $1,500 in 2 weeks. Magical, right? Wrong, not even close to being real. What they're doing is paying early investors with the deposits of new ones. Until, boom, they pull the plug. One of the biggest cases in 2024 was known as AI Brain Capital. Scammers promote AI Brain Capital as an exclusive AI-powered investment platform. They claim to use advanced algorithms and neural networks that beat the market, detect arbitrage opportunities, or trade crypto at lightning speed. They built a slick website, ran influencer ads, even offered referral bonuses. Sounded legit. Then they vanished. Millions gone, no refunds. Here's how to spot a scam. First, there is no real company info. Next, there is no independent audits or legal documentation. Finally, there is a heavy focus on recruiting others. If you can't explain how they make money without sounding like a magic trick, walk away. This one's sneaky. AI freelance scams target freelancers, especially people who want to work with AI. You get a message offering a high-paying job, maybe writing AI prompts, editing chatbot scripts, or coaching AI users. Seems like a perfect remote job, but there's a catch. They want you to pay a training fee or buy access to some platform. This is a classic scam. What's actually happening is they steal your money, or worse, steal your identity or bank info. People on Fiverr and Upwork have reported these fake job offers a lot lately. The scammers often use real company logos and fake HR emails to make it look legit. One guy thought he landed a gig with OpenAI and sent over his passport. That ID was used in a credit card fraud ring days later. Never pay to get a job. Real clients don't charge you to work for them. All right, here's the big one. This is what I promised at the beginning. Because it doesn't just steal your money, it wastes your time too. We're talking about those AI courses that promise to turn you into a six-figure entrepreneur in 30 days. No experience needed, just follow our AI blueprint. You've seen the ads. Probably a guy on a beach holding a laptop. I plan to make an online AI training course, but I will do it legitimately. Here's what you get with the scammers. A bunch of recycled info from free YouTube videos. There will be N+O real support, no real strategy, nothing valuable. Worse, sometimes they even include outdated info from years ago. One course called AI Income Secrets 2025 was sold for $497. Inside? Literally links to public ChatGPT prompts you could get for free. And the guy behind it had no background in AI. He just used Canva and affiliate links to slap a course together. You want to learn AI? We all do. Use trusted platforms. Use Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning. Better yet, follow real creators on YouTube who actually use the tools. Not some fake guru trying to sell you a dream. The real problem here isn't just the scams. It's that these scams are getting smarter, more believable, more viral. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a gold rush. Everyone wants a piece. But the danger? People want it so badly they stop asking questions. If it looks too easy, it probably is. So how do you protect yourself? Let's break this down into some simple rules. First off, follow the money. It always leads to the right place. If someone claims they make $10K a month with AI, ask how. If the answer is vague or always leads to just buy my thing, it's a trap. Real tools and services have reviews, demos, support channels. Scams hide behind secrecy. They want you to believe that they have the answer but don't want you asking too many questions. One way scammers get to you is by posting these so-called testimonials. They look legit and are from trusted people. You can turn this around by running a reverse image search. If you see testimonials, profile pics, famous logos, reverse search them on Google. If they're stock photos, run away. It is a scam. Before you hand over your credit card for that life-changing AI course, do a quick community check. Type the course name into Google with words like Reddit, review, or scam, and see what real people are saying. If the course is legit, you'll find thoughtful feedback, success stories, and maybe even walkthroughs. If it's a scam, you'll likely see red flags like fake testimonials, recycled content, or complaints about refunds. Trust the internet hive mind. It's often the fastest way to spot a con. Real users tell the truth. AI is not some magical process. It really is not. It's smart automation. AI is not a lottery ticket. It won't make you rich overnight, no matter what flashy ad or influencer says. Just like a calculator won't make you a math genius, AI won't build a business for you while you sleep. What it can do is help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently if you actually know how to use it. Success still takes time, effort, and strategy. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. The people making real money with AI aren't chasing shortcuts. They're building systems, testing ideas, and using AI to solve real problems. It helps you do more faster. But it's not going to make you rich overnight. If it was that easy, everyone would already be rich. Here's what it really comes down to. I can help you build a real business, but it's not going to build it for you. There are no shortcuts, just smarter tools. The scams? They play on your fear of missing out, your desire to get ahead, and they wrap it all up in shiny words like automation and AI-powered. But the winners in this AI game, they're the people who take the time to learn, to build, to use AI, not just chase shiny promises about it. Don't fall for the dream. Build the reality. So here's what we covered. Fake AI trading bots that promise guaranteed returns. Scammy AI content kits that flood you with junk investment Ponzi's, pretending to be tech-forward, fake freelance jobs, stealing your data, overpriced AI courses that teach nothing new. You know the tricks. You know the signs. And now you know how to stay one step ahead. Want to see how AI actually helps you make money, not lose it? Watch this next video. It's worth every second.